This tutorial shows how the communication between QuaHill systems runs. This communication runs on all QuaHill versions. It can be used between agencies when both of them use QuaHill Enterprise, and between an agency and a vendor using QuaHill Basic or Premium. First, set the communication with the client's server in the client details. Communication details are set in the QH Communication tab. The client server address will be provided by the client's project managers. The login information is the same as the one used when you log into the client's server via the vendor's web portal. Once the login information is filled in, we recommend testing the settings. These lists show values synchronized with the client's system. For example, when you are downloading a new project from the client's server, you do not have to have exactly the same services in your QuaHill. You have to tell the system which value in the client's system corresponds to the value in your system. The system will remember your selection and will not ask for it in future. If anything changes or you make a mistake, you can delete synchronized values here and you can enter them in another communication with the client's system. A project import from the client's system is carried out above the project list, using import project import from client's system. Select a client the project should be imported from. Download the list of available projects. Select the project to be imported and let it import. Every tab contains at least one record which is not synchronized with the client's system. Data in all tabs must be synchronized, otherwise the import cannot be finished. Data from the client's system are always in the left column in the list. In the right column there are corresponding values in your system. This column can be edited. There must not be any record in it which does not have a corresponding value from your code list defined. If you do not have the corresponding value saved in your code list, interrupt the import without saving the new project, add the value to the code list and perform the import again. Synchronization must be performed in all tabs. Project has been imported, but be careful, it has not been saved to the database yet. Imported jobs have unique identifiers which are the only links to jobs in the client's system. If you remove this identifier, the link to the client's system will be cancelled and jobs cannot be invoiced directly from the system, or source files of the project cannot be downloaded, etc. When a job is imported, some items cannot be edited because they are taken over from the client's system and they cannot be changed. If a change in items is required, the link to the client's system must be deleted by pressing the Delete the link to client's system. Then you can see the synchronized items in the client details. If an item has been synchronized by error with an incorrect value, it can be deleted here and it will have to be entered again at the next import. Now save the project and you can download the files for translation from the client's system. If set in the global settings, project folders are automatically generated during saving as defined in the folder structure code list. Select a folder where files should be downloaded to. Download the list of files intended for translation. If there are more files, ticking the file in this column defines which file should be downloaded to the folder. For example, if you want to download source files to this folder and translation memory files to another, select only files for translation in this step and repeat this step for translation memories, where you select a different folder at the start and then you select translation memory files. If you do not see any files in the list, the project manager of the client has not assigned the right to any file to you. Please contact client's project manager. If the folder is defined in the code list with a default file type, this type is automatically assigned to it. If not, the file type must be selected manually with a right click. The file is imported and we can start working on the translation. Now we will show how to proceed once translation is finished and you need to upload the translated file to the client's system. Unless the translated file has been saved in the system, first you need to import it to QuaHill. The file type is only selected automatically if the folder to which we import has this type defined as a default file type. If not, the file type must be entered manually. Now we can upload the file to the client's system. The system shows the folders for which we have the right to upload in bold. Unless any folder with the right to upload is available, contact client's project managers and ask them to set the upload rights for the folder. The file has been successfully uploaded to the client's system and client's project managers will receive an email about it. Now you can mark the whole project as delivered and invoice it. An invoice need not be edited in any way. It only needs to be saved. Now export the invoice to the client's system. Some values have not been synchronized with the client's system yet. They need to be synchronized. Synchronization has been finished. If the same values are used next time, the values need not be synchronized anymore. The system remembers them. It may happen that an invoice cannot be exported to the client's system, e.g. because the client has not marked the job as delivered in its system yet. In such case it is necessary to agree on the next steps with the client's project manager and then repeat the export.